With so many in need of medical advice, instead of waiting in line, more people are going online. Virtual doctor appointments are increasing just one day after President Trump expanded telemedicine access. And WPTV News Channel 5's MEGHAN McRoberts spoke to doctors and staff at a local urgent care about the benefits.
Well, now when a patient calls a medical clinic such as Stewart Urgent Care here in Jensen Beach to set up an appointment, the doctors and medical staff here say they are now able to recommend telemedicine to more patients than ever.
Telemedicine is sort of like Uber Eats versus sitting at the restaurant.
If you've never tried telemedicine, this is a lot like how it would work. You call into a designated number through something like FaceTime or just over the phone.
The patient has no contact, it's only face-to-face on our telemedicine portal, where the patient actually is able to go and see a provider, get treated, go pick up their medication, and stay out of the public.
That's the big benefit, as social distancing applies even in medical settings. The more vulnerable elderly population stands to benefit the most.
We're trying to keep people that are not really bad sick. We're trying to keep them at home where they can stay well instead of having to get out and get sick with the sick people at the clinics.
Dr. Jonathan ADELBERG with Treasure Coast Medical Associates says he's pleased the Trump administration lifted major telemedicine restrictions, expanding who can use the services and where it can be used. Doctors can now use their own phones to talk to patients, and Medicare patients can use telemedicine at no cost.
It will keep a lot of people out of the hospital. It'll keep a lot of people off the streets.
Here, he's able to treat conditions that do not require a hospital bed.
Urinary tract infections, upper respiratory tract infections.
But he can screen for potential coronavirus concerns.
Have you been to China? Have you been exposed to someone who has been diagnosed for the coronavirus?
And help determine if someone actually needs to go to the hospital. This is also another way to help preserve much needed medical supplies such as masks. Another benefits, the average telemedicine call, according to the doctors here, is only 3 to 7 minutes long. In Martin County, I'm MEGHAN McRoberts. Back to you.